on my truck. I have a hard top cover, tonneau cover, and I have to do a little maintenance on one of the clips that broke while I was using it. So I'll show you here how I'm gonna do that. With this Mopar tonneau cover, there is many different options to fold it and use it, and one is to fold it all the way to the back and then clip this clip to secure it for against the wind. And one of these clips broke here, so I tried to glue it. It didn't work, and I had to find it online and order it. There is many different options online. One that I liked most, with the choices of product and good explanation what the part is for and how to use it, is from eTrailer.com. Very good service. So let's see how that is gonna work. Once you go online, you can find many different options. Best option for me was to buy this piece complete with strap, clip, attachment metal piece, and piece that clip goes in, which I don't need, and I was hoping that I would be able to replace, but it really is not same exact as I have, so I will not be able to use that. That's at least not for now. You can see the difference here. Maybe if I really have to, I can rig it, but for now I'll just keep my old piece and change the strap with a good piece and hook it to the folding part of the tonneau cover. It is a straightforward job. All we need to do is unscrew these two screws and replace the whole piece. Little screws are self-tapping screws, and I hope I will be able to use this again, as this could be stripped, but let's see how it goes. This tonneau cover is barely 2 years old. It looks like it is still in good condition, and I'll be able to use same exact screws, and they are not stripped. New piece is installed. I already measured the distance. Clips nice in, and it is done. I'm gonna keep this piece for later, just in case that I need any of these pieces, and that will be all. Very simple. One more time, I'll give credit to eTrailer.com. As I said earlier, very good service, and they have a lot of good product and good videos of showing and explaining what you need and how to install it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please do so below like always. Thank you.